We can't do this. What's going on? All right, it's time to do a tricep workout that you could do at home. Let's go. If you like content like this, do us a favor, hit that like button, drop some comments right down below, and also smash the notification bell. Let's get this workout going. Hey, I hope you enjoy watching this. My abs are burning just watching me do this again, and I was sweating like crazy. Thank you so much for watching. If you like videos like this, check out some of our other great videos. See you all soon.